Hello friends, today's recipe instant MTR Puliogare. So take a kadai, add 2-3 spoon oil, take big spoon groundnuts, fry it properly. I am taking raw only, so I am frying it. A masala there will be groundnuts and all, but that is not enough, so we can use separately. Soak tamarind in 1 katori, so we are going to use tamarind water for tangy taste. Use 1 spoon urad dal, 1 spoon chana dal. Fry it well. 1 teaspoon mustard. Fry it properly. Cumin 1 teaspoon, 2 chilies, red chilies. If you just add, it will give very nice taste. You can try it once, my favorite dish, so you can also try it. Curry leaves, fry it properly. Curry leaves has water, so it is sprinkling all over the oil. You can close the lid and mix it. So now Puliyodharai masala I am using 4 teaspoon Puliyodharai. Already I have used one time. This is second time I am using. So mix it well. You will get all the instructions on packet, so you can watch the packet and you can check how much you have to use. This is for 4 spoon for 3 peoples. Mix it well, close the lid and let it cook the masala. So already it is cooked properly. Now use the tamarind water as I told, keep before only for soak, and strain it and use it in tadka. Close it now. It has to be cooked in tamarind water for tangy taste. It will give very nice taste, so use tamarind separately again. So allow to cook it 1-2 minutes. Almost you can see the color. It is leaving its own oil. So our masala is almost ready. Close the lid, let it cool. I have already cooked the rice. I am using poni rice. I am not using basmati rice. I will avoid basmati rice much. I will use occasionally because it is a fully polished and it is not good for much health. So I will use less time. So masala is ready. Take it side. How much you want you can use as per the requirement. I will slowly add with my cooked rice. So you can see here. So slowly add it. If you are like my videos, please hit the like button, share and subscribe. It will encourage me the next video to prepare healthy recipes. You can go and watch my all the recipes are very unique and healthy. So mix masala as per requirement. Properly mix it. Add salt as per the requirement. Add finely chopped coriander. Mix it well. So our instant MTR Puliogare is ready to eat. I am keeping on serving plate. So you can see it how it is juicy looking. The taste was very nice. It was a tangy, juicy. So you can try it once. Our instant MTR Puliogare is ready for eat. Please guys, please share, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye.